in such a state where all at once it hit me that it's getting late. Spinning too fast to notice the shift that changed the time. Just kids playing grown up with no end in sight. But there's an end though.